My name is Norm Lavoie. I farm in northern Alberta. We farm grain and cereals. Some years it's really wet, some years it's dry. It's one extreme to the other every year. It all started with our sprayer. When we first got them, it came with LSW.
The way that the LSW is built, it's built so that the rim is expanded and the tire is a lower sidewall tire, and it gives a performance value better than any other competitor out there. I mean, the LSW built by Titan Goodyear is absolutely the #1 choice in the field.
Good flotation, good ride. We love them. Since we've had them, we got them on our tractors now, and a very good experience. Got to get the power to the ground to be able to pull this 18-foot blade.
These tires need to be at the optimal pressure for the load capabilities that they'll incur during their everyday workload.
They came out and they weighted every axle. They weighted the front of the tractor, the back of the tractor. So you need the right pressure in the tires to get that traction.
And we got them optimized to their tractor needs.
So we're running 16 in the back and 12 in the front.
If you're overpressurized, you're actually promoting compaction to your field, which is why we want to optimize all the tractors that we can.
That's the first thing they should be checking before starting the season.
This tire is the answer to all them problems, either in the dual application or the single 1400, if that's the way that you're looking to venture.
That's what gives you the ride and compaction and flotation on your farms.
Definitely taken over up here in northern Alberta.
Moving forward, we'll always make sure that we put LSW on our machines.